Hey guys, it's your girl Key aka Keixwi, and I am back with a new YouTube video. So today's video, guys, is going to be on one of my current favorite skincare and beauty lines. If you guys have been following me on Instagram, you've probably seen within the past like month or 2 or 3 or 4, the past few months, I've been really focusing on skincare. Because you know, you can't have a good beat if your skin is just toe up. Like, it's not cute, it don't work. So you gotta like take care of your skin. I've been trying a lot of different things, and I was in Ulta one day and I got hooked up with a Juice Beauty representative, and I got some really good products. So if you guys are interested in finding out what I've been using for skincare, and my current everyday foundation, which just so happens to be a Juice Beauty foundation, keep watching. One of the things that I picked up from Ulta with the Juice Beauty rep was the blemish clearing kit, and that's because I have mild acne, and I've always had mild acne. So before I started using the Juice Beauty, I was using NXN Beauty Acne Edit system or something like that, and it really worked. It cleared my forehead up, but it got to a point where I still had acne like on my cheeks, in this area, and like it just really like wasn't clearing my acne. So I knew it was time to change my products. So I tried the blemish clearing cleanser kit from Juice Beauty. So it's kind of like a sequence kit, you know, you use one product like the cleanser first, and then you use like a serum or whatever. So I'm pretty much going to go through the products that you use in the kit, and I'm going to tell you guys about each of the products. The first product from the blemish clearing kit is the blemish clearing cleanser, and it comes in a little tube like this, and some of the ingredients are organic lemon juice, organic sweet cherry juice, organic sage leaf extract, so vitamin A, vitamin E, so all good stuff, right? So it doesn't have like a bad smell or anything. It doesn't, I don't really know how to describe the smell, but it's not bad. This is like the consistency of the cleanser. It's not like sticky or anything. When I'm using it, I love it because first of all, a little bit goes a long way. Okay, and then like I said, it doesn't have like a super strong smell, and I like that because I don't like products that smell like chemicals. Like, for me, that's a big like no. And also, after I use it, it doesn't leave my skin like sticky or dry. My skin feels really like refreshed and really good. It actually feels clean. So the next product from the kit is the blemish clearing serum, and it pretty much has like the same consistency as the cleanser. It's really light. So this came with the kit. I only use the blemish clearing serum if I have like a really bad breakout. So like if it's like a hormonal breakout, or if I've been wearing a lot of makeup, I'll use the blemish clearing serum. On days that I don't use the serum, I use the green apple age defy serum. This stuff, like, oh my gosh, y'all. So it comes in a little bottle like this, and just FYI, this is not included with the kit. I actually purchased this extra, and the reason why I got this is because I have a lot of dark spots, and so it looked like I had more acne than I really did because of the dark spots, and like my dark spots have been there for years. So I really wanted a product that will help with the dark spots. This stuff, it has vitamin C in it, and again, it's the green apple serum. For this, a little bit goes a very long way. So it comes in like a little dropper like this, and I usually use like 1 to 2 pumps, and I'm just gonna kind of put a little dab on my hands and rub it in. I don't know if you guys can really see, but it smells so good, and it just kind of like melts in your skin, and it just leaves your skin feeling good and smooth. Like, oh my god, I love this green apple serum. Maybe like the 3rd day after using the green apple serum, I could see like results. My dark spots started to fade. Like, I was so hyped, y'all. After you use the green apple serum or the blemish clearing serum, they have an oil-free moisturizer, and I really like this moisturizer. But again, honesty moment, a little bit goes a long way. And because it is oil free, it doesn't really like spread like your typical moisturizers. So obviously I use more than that, just a teeny bit though, because like I said, a little bit goes a long way. And so it spreads for the most part, but when you put it on, you'll kind of see this like white, I don't know, color, I guess. But the more you rub it in, like just like with regular lotion, but it was just the first time that I applied it, I was like, okay, is the white stuff gonna go away? And like I said, it doesn't really like, it doesn't have oil in it, so it doesn't massage into your skin as easily as you would think it would. So I was kind of rubbing for like a second, but it goes away. Again, smells great. The last thing in the kit is the green apple peel blemish clearing exfoliant, and with this is just like a mask, exfoliating mask. You can only use it like once a week. I wouldn't use it more than once or twice a week. And you know, it's an exfoliant and I really like it. It's not sticky, like I said, so you don't have to worry about it feeling sticky. And after using the exfoliant, so you apply it, you leave it on for about 10 minutes. It kind of gets like stiff, but not like too stiff. And then you rinse it off with warm water, and it leaves your face and your skin feeling smooth and hydrated. Like, it just feels really, really good. And then your skin has like this really nice glow for about like a day or 2 days, so that's really nice too. And if you have like breakouts or whatever, it kind of like clears the breakouts too. So I really like this exfoliant. It's part of the green apple line, but they just kind of like snuck it in the blemish clearing kit, because like, who doesn't want a green apple blemish peel exfoliant? Like, come on. So because I got the kit and a couple of other products, I got some free things when I got this stuff from Juice Beauty, well, from Ulta, but the Juice Beauty stuff that I got from Ulta. So they threw in this green apple brightening gel cleanser. I've used this maybe twice. So like for days that, like if I don't go out the house, I'll use the blemish clearing kit in the morning. And so like I haven't gone anywhere, so I'm not like washing makeup or trying to get a lot of dirt off of my face. I'll use the green apple brightening gel cleanser. This has purifying organic botanical juices, sugarcane hydroxy acids, and plant-based cleansers. So again, more good stuff. This will give you a glow as well. It just kind of like brightens your skin. So like I said, I'll use this, like if I don't go anywhere, I'll use the kit in the morning, the blemish clearing cleanser from the kit in the morning, and I'll use this at night, because technically you should be washing twice a day, washing your face twice a day. So I'll typically do the kit first thing in the morning and at night, but again, if I don't go anywhere, or if I've just had like a really lazy day, I'll use the green apple brightening gel cleanser. As far as like the cleansers and the serums and stuff go, that's all that I have. Everything I highly, highly recommend. Like I said, if you have acne, if you're trying to get rid of dark spots, like this is a really good kit to get. And I think I might have paid $40 for the kit. So in the kit, I got the cleanser, the serum, the exfoliant, and the moisturizer. So that's pretty good for a kit. 4 different products in a kit for 40 bucks. Like, that's good. And like I said, I've been using it for almost 3 weeks now, so I'm pretty sure it's going to last me longer than a month. So in my opinion, that's a steal. Compared to like, you'll pay that monthly for like Proactive. I know I paid $40 for NXN Beauty, so it's, in my opinion, very affordable. In addition to the kit, I also got the Stem Cellular CC cream, and this has like, first of all, I just love this stuff, but it has like so many uses, like reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, broad spectrum sun protection, you know, like, you know, if you get sunburn and stuff really easy, this would be a good product. Even skin tone, like, I mean, the list goes on. And again, it's organic. So pretty much, as you guys can see, it has a little tint to it, so you'll have to get a shade that is closest to your skin tone. And I'm just trying to show you guys what it looks like. So in this tube, again, a little bit goes a long way, and that's what I like about Juice Beauty, because you don't have to use a ton of product to like achieve what you're looking for. So this is the CC cream. You guys, I don't know if you guys can really see this because the cream is the same color as my fingers, but it is really light. And again, it has a tint to it, so when you put it on, it's going to give you a really, really light overlay. So sometimes if I'm going, like if I'm just going to the grocery store, if I just have to run up the street, if I don't really want to go out the house barefaced, I'll use this. And I mean, it's just so light. It smells good. I even use it under my foundation, believe it or not. Like, this is a really good product to use under foundation. So I also got the Phytopigments Flawless foundation. I mentioned to you guys earlier that I had used their foundation before. It was just that I had a darker shade. So I got it again. And again, foundation is packed with packed with good stuff. And it's light. It kind of has like a dewy kind of texture or finish when you apply it. So I also got the Phytopigments Illuminating Primer with it as a free gift. But I don't really use this because I have oily skin. So I found that when I use the illuminating primer in addition to the foundation that kind of already has like a dewy finish to it, halfway through the day I'm drenched in oil. So I only really use this when I really want to glow. And I still tone it down a little bit with like setting powder and stuff like that. So yeah, illuminating primer. I'll show you guys the primer really quick. So I'm just going to put a little bit of the primer on the back of my hands. And rub this in. So again, light. And it has kind of like a little, it's illuminating primer. So you can tell the difference like immediately once you apply it to your skin. And then the Phytopigments foundation, you always want to shake it before you use it because it's organic stuff in it. When you're not using it, like the heavier contents will settle to the bottom, and of course the lighter contents will be at the top. But super light foundation, really good coverage. You can build on it too, so it's not like heavy coverage, full coverage, I guess. It's one of those products you use a little bit. If it's not enough coverage, you build on it. So I have a little dab of foundation here. I don't know if you guys can really see that. A little bit maybe. But it just kind of like, it just melts in your skin. Like all their products just kind of like melt in your skin. Like they don't just sit on top of your face. So that's why I like it. You guys can kind of see a little tint right here from the foundation. It blends very well. So like I said, if you have to layer it because you want more coverage, you'll definitely get that coverage with like 2 layers. I never do more than 2 layers. So 2 layers, you should be good. Again, organic, packed with organic stuff, extracts, vitamins, all that good stuff. So it doesn't break my face out. So a lot of my favorite foundations that I won't name in this video tend to break my face out after I've used it, especially like I use it all week. This doesn't break my face out. So this Juice Beauty Phytopigments foundation is definitely my current everyday foundation. I wear it to work, and actually I have it on now So if you guys are wondering like what my face probably looks a little greasy or a little funny, I've had this foundation on since like 7 o'clock this morning, and it's almost 7 p.m. So about 12 hours, and it still looks good. Of course, I have some bronzer and highlighter and stuff on too, but for the most part, you guys can see the foundation and see how good it looks. Alright, so I talked about skincare, cleansers, serums, CC cream, moisturizers. Then I worked my way up to the foundation. I told you guys about the foundation and the primer. So now I'm sure y'all are wondering, like, is there a product to get all this stuff off my face? So this is the Cellular Cleansing Oil. And it comes in like a little pump bottle like this. So it has a couple of different uses. So like it'll tell you for a spotlight cleanse, pump oil directly onto a warm, damp washcloth. By the way, in the blemish clearing kit, they give you a nice little washcloth. Like, the washcloth feels so good. I don't think I've ever felt a washcloth that feels that good, like, for real, y'all. So that's just, you know, a little additive that you guys might like. But so for the spa cleanse, it says pump the oil directly onto a damp cloth. Then if you're trying to remove eye makeup, it says pump a small amount onto a moist cloth and gently wipe away. I cannot talk. And then it says for like to remove eye makeup, pump a small amount onto a moist cloth and gently wipe away. So I have started using this now as my makeup remover. And I use cotton ovals or cotton rounds, and I just run the cotton round under some water. One pump of this in the cotton round, it will wipe everything off. Like, seriously. Like, I don't really even know what to say. It wipes everything off. Only once have I used it and not washed my face afterwards, like followed up with the kit. And if I recall correctly, that time that I used it, my skin wasn't too oily, but because this is oily, like it kind of was oily. So I'll have to like try it again and let you guys know for sure like how my skin reacts, what my skin feels like. Words cannot just describe like how excited I am about the blemish clearing kit, the green apple serum. Like, how many times have I said green apple serum during this video, y'all? I know it's been like at least 20. Because that green apple serum is nothing but the truth. Like, it's nothing but the truth. So you guys can look at my before pics, like before I started using it, and then my after pics, and see like how my skin has already started to clear up and enhance. And you know what, I just feel overall more comfortable going out without anything on my face. So I hope that y'all have enjoyed this video. I hope that it was also informative. Again, I don't work for Juice Beauty, so I'm not trying to sell you guys anything. I'm just telling y'all straight up what I've been trying and what has been working for me. So I hope y'all have enjoyed this. I will be back with probably like a 1-month video without the foundation on, so you guys can see what my skin looks like. It's not going to be perfect, but I guarantee you it's going to look 12 times better than it did before I started using this product. So y'all be good, take care, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.